This is Tom. Tom is currently planning an industrial plant for a well-known chemical company. He must rule out the possibility that the chemicals used there leak into the environment or the groundwater in the event of an accident. That's why he has to design a liquid-proof concrete catch basin that resists aggressive substances and hazardous materials. In Germany, there are various laws and rules that apply here. They include the German Water Resources Act, the Plant Facilities Ordinance, the guideline Concrete Engineering in Connection with Substances Hazardous to Water, and the technical rules and standards issued by the German Association for Water Management. They state that substances hazardous to water are not allowed to penetrate deep enough to reach cracked areas, even after up to 144 hours. This is why planning often involves doubling the building component thickness. In the case of Tom's basin, this would mean that the concrete would be 50 centimeters thick instead of 25, which would be inefficient and very cost-intensive. Tom wants to avoid this. That's why he's planning his project using the concrete additive Mowilith LDM 6880. Mowilith LDM 6880 is an officially approved dispersion that safeguards concrete and increases its life cycle. The product significantly improves the impermeability of concrete and increases its resistance towards acids, oils, chemicals, and other substances hazardous to water. This is verified by determining penetration depth. The Technical University of Darmstadt has extensively tested the penetration of numerous chemicals. In comparison to conventional liquid-proofed types of concrete, Mowilith was able to reduce penetration depth by up to 64%. This makes it possible for Tom to design a considerably more streamlined and even more durable construction component. In the process, Tom saves many cubic meters of concrete and lots of steel rebar. What's more, this increased durability can substantially reduce maintenance and replacement costs, which not only makes Tom happy, but his client too. When planning the next plant system for dealing with substances hazardous to water, Tom will use Mowilith LDM 6880 again to ensure that concrete remains impermeable. See the convincing advantages of our concrete additive for yourself and make contact with us. Mowilith LDM 6880, your additive for liquid-proof concrete.